How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be working on the Civic again, just doing some simple maintenance stuff. Gonna clean the engine bay for you. We're about to get hit by like a Cat 3 hurricane or something like that, so I figured what better time to spend my time working on the car than right before the storm, where we don't even know if the car is going to make it. I think that's really the best logic you could have going into this. So yeah, all right, enough jibber jabber. Let's get over here, pop the hood. Most cars come with cleaning supplies already in the engine bay. As you can see over there, so there's some purple power and a wheel brush and a detailing brush. Those will be in your car too. So we got to prop the hood up here. Let's see. This is probably the best view I can give you of what's going on, so bear with me. I know it's not perfect, but I will be getting new filming supplies soon. I'll be getting a mic so you can hear me better, and possibly a better tripod because this one kind of sucks. So yeah, I take a pretty decently scrubby brush, and I really like to use this. It's called Super Clean. I call it Purple Power. I don't know why. I don't know if that's like a different brand or what. But anyways, you get it from Harbor Freight. Wheel brush also from Harbor Freight or possibly Walmart. And you start spraying and you get at it. You can put a bag over your intake, but I'm going to be getting rid of this intake anyways, so I'm not really worried about it. It'll get a little wet. I'm not going to be starting the car anytime soon. I'll just try to avoid spraying the intake directly. So there you have it. Is it perfect? Not at all. Is it a little bit cleaner? Barely. But I don't really care. I didn't want to spend a lot of time doing it, and this car is not perfect, like I've already said a million times. So it's slightly cleaner, it looks slightly better. I put the spark plugs in the right configuration because they weren't, at least they were fine on the distributor side, but the wires were all mixed up, like in the little wire clip holder thing. So now they're all perfect and they look nice. So the engine bay looks a little bit nicer. There's not a bunch of like dirt and grime everywhere, and overall I think it's plenty good enough. Like I said, we're going to be swapping the head, so I wasn't super worried about getting that super clean. I just wanted the main chunks of dirt out of the engine bay, and they are. So we are all set, and we'll get on to the next thing that we're going to do, which I'm not sure what that is yet, but we're going to do it. Also, sorry about the lighting. It keeps washing my face out. Not that you guys care how pretty I look, but you know, sometimes it's a concern, okay? Maybe you think I'm cute, and when the lighting washes my face out, you think I'm slightly less cute, and it's just not cool with me, honestly. So, okay, enough talking. And that's what it looks like after. Like I said, definitely not perfect. Whatever's on that just wouldn't come off. Like as it dries, it like whites itself. So I'm not sure what's on that. And I don't even think it was on there before. I don't know. I have to look at the before pictures, but I tried to wipe it off, and it like, when you get it damp with your finger, it looks like it's gone, but then it's not actually gone, because as soon as it dries, it just goes back to looking like that. But like the main chunks of dirt in like all the corners and like down there, over here, those are all much cleaner. Back there's a little bit cleaner. Yeah, anyways, did the best I could. Well, I did not do the best I could at all, but it looks slightly better, okay? Just don't yell at me, all right? It looks fine. I don't even know how much of this I'm gonna leave in. I'm talking way too much. I don't really know what to say about the state of the engine bay. I keep recording this, and I'm like, don't blame me that it doesn't look perfect. But also, I just didn't do a very good job because I didn't really care to. I just wanted it slightly cleaner, okay? So don't judge me. It's clean enough. I'm gonna be getting rid of all these parts, okay? Don't yell at me. So today, we are gonna be washing up the Mustang. So without further ado, let's get to scrubbing. background, but I guarantee in about 10 seconds my roommate's gonna pull up. There she is. There's Lieutenant Brad. Outside's looking pretty fresh. Now I gotta get to the inside, which I am not excited about. In case you're wondering what tripod I'm using, it's the Bauer Multi-Pod, and it kind of sucks. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is a quick interior vacuum and wipe down, and then we're gonna call it quits. Here I'm referring to a guy that was supposed to trade me for the car. Just ignore that. He talked to me for 2 weeks and then ghosted me, so that was awesome. Because I don't think this guy really cares what the interior looks like, and it's hot and gross outside, and I don't really want to keep working. Okay, there you have it. The interior is pretty clean now compared to what it was before. I mean, it's not the best in general. And there's still a few tools in the back and stuff like that, but I'm gonna worry about that at the very last second, because I think that's the optimal time to worry about it, honestly. Maybe even at the guy's house is when I'll start thinking about getting that stuff out of the car. I didn't go to that guy's house, so that stuff didn't get removed. So yeah, see you in the next clip or whenever or something like that. Psych, there's no next clip. Wait for the next video.